Looking for a large luxury Reading home with a pool, RV parking, and a 4-car shop? This one checks all the boxes. Welcome to 2359 El Vista Street in Redding, California. Located in the desirable Western Oaks neighborhood and offered at $900,000. This 4,015 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, multiple living spaces, hardwood flooring, and a huge game room with its own HVAC system. Step outside to this beautiful pool, covered patio, lawn and garden space, gated RV parking, plus a detached 4-car garage and shop with heating and cooling. If you're searching for a spacious home in Redding, California with room to entertain and plenty of storage, this property is worth a closer look. Contact Cory Meyer Real Estate to schedule your private showing today.